Hey guys, my name's Ali. On this channel, we talk about making money online. If this is something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button and continue on watching. Today's topic is going to be straightforward. For those of you guys that are doing affiliate marketing or make money online, try to quit your 9-to-5. That's exactly what we do on this channel, and I've been doing it for several years now. And one thing I've noticed, that every course that I purchased in the past, as you progress in the course, when you get into the modules 10 or 20 or however long your course is, some of them are really short, some of them are long, but as you progress in the course, you always notice you get to the point where you have to invest more money in order for you to really continue following the course footsteps or guidelines in order for you to make see results, basically. But the link I'm going to have for you guys below is absolutely free, and it requires no investment whatsoever. It's the exact same training you're going to get from $10,000 or $20,000 course, but it's all provided for you at $0. Check out the link that I had below, and if you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment below. I wish you guys the best luck, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video, because it helps the YouTube algorithm. And I will see you guys on the inside. Good luck.